Create a new shopping list with bread, tomatoes, milk and eggs. Create a task to edit immigration burnout video tomorrow. Have you ever had different tasks, events, ideas, projects running in your head that you want to get structured easily without even typing anything? That is where Routine's voice commands feature can help. Routine is a multi-platform tool that has a built-in calendar, tasks, notes, and an AI assistant that could actually get stuff done, such as drafting an email with just one prompt without leaving the app. Before diving into the voice commands feature, here's a short overview of the desktop app and my favorite features. My favorite view is the calendar view, especially when you expand these tasks. You can see the task list of each day, which I think is super useful. The second thing I like about it is the inbox. If you have anything unorganized, it will be here, so you can plan it. One of my favorite routines feature is this AI assistant. It can actually do stuff. It's not just an LLM interface. Since I have Gmail connected, let's try to send an email. Okay, I just came up with a random prompt and let's see how it's going to reply. It's already done. Let's check if the email actually arrived or not. See, it's already here. I didn't leave the app. It was just one prompt, which is super useful. So the last thing I want to show you in the desktop app, it's called dashboard. Let me show you. So here, from settings under dashboard, I was able to set up a shortcut for it, which is Command K in my case. So this is the dashboard. I really like this view because it shows the tasks of today. It shows how much time you have until the next event. If you are working on something that is already in your calendar and you set up a specific time frame, it shows you a progress bar, which is really nice to visualize how much time you have left. And it also shows what's upcoming. Here under today, there is an empty page that you can write down anything you want about this specific day, like an empty today page basically. Also, I find super easy to create a task or event or page from this specific view. Write a script for next video. It already brings up like the date you can pick. Let's say tomorrow. With an exclamation mark, I can set up a priority high, and then with a hashtag I can add a label. Currently I don't have much, so let's say, and I haven't set up my projects yet, which is a new feature. I believe I'll do that and I'll be able to also add projects from here. Create task. It says it's created and it's here. Okay, I forgot to talk about pages. So it's actually a super useful feature. Let's say I have a video script idea. I can have a page of it here and then I can connect it to a task or a project. So it's super useful to have everything in one place. And when you sign up, you will have this guide page, which you can just click on every checklist item and watch a video of how you can use it. Super handy when it comes to making the most out of this tool. Now let's try the voice commands feature with the script that I written with a bunch of different tasks and see if Routine will be able to turn a brain dump into structured tasks, events or notes. I'm excited. Okay, I have the app here. We can start. Create a new shopping list with bread, tomatoes, milk and eggs. Just a page. Create a task to edit immigration burnout video tomorrow. Create a new page for a video idea titled Salary History. Schedule a veterinary control appointment for next week at 10 a.m. Draft a message to my cat sitter asking if she is available from August 19th to 20th to watch my cat. You can just draft it in a page. Thank you. Okay, now we can check what's added. In the pages, there is the shopping list, message to cat sitter. So I think it misunderstood the draft part. It just added as a task. But I didn't realize it just added description instead of drafting the real message. Salary history as a video idea. So the task I added is also here. And finally, I'll check appointment. The veterinary control appointment is also here. The thing I like the most about this feature is that It's not like Siri that you say something and it's already created and you need to go and manually delete it to be able to add a new one. It's very simultaneously structuring the things you have in your mind before actually creating them. If you want to try it out for yourself and see if it survives your own brain dumps, you can sign up using my link in the description below. Just a heads up, I do earn a small commission from each sign up and subscription, which really helps support the channel. And you can do everything I just did and showed you in the free tier. You don't need to share your credit card information unless you are sure you want to subscribe, which is super cool. You can just go ahead and explore until you run out of your initial credits. If you try it out, let me know in the comments below if you have any feedback, anything that could improve this product. I'd be happy to pass along your feedback to the makers of Routine. If you like this video, please consider subscribing or giving it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.